Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Triwing Screwdriver is probably one of the most essential tools for any Nintendo Switch owner who enjoys tinkering or performing repairs. Whether you're replacing a battery, upgrading storage, or simply giving your console a good cleaning, having the right screwdriver can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive into what makes a great Triwing screwdriver and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Triwing Screwdriver Repair Kit for Switch Joy-Con. This tool kit is specifically designed for Joy-Con repairs. It includes everything you need to easily disassemble your device. This makes the repair process much simpler. The Triwing screwdrivers are made of high-quality steel, ensuring durability and precision. They fit perfectly, making screw removal and replacement hassle-free. This kit is perfect for battery changes and other Joy-Con repairs. It's ideal for DIY enthusiasts, technicians, and students alike, making repairs accessible to everyone. The kit includes 8 essential tools: Y 2.0 and Y 1.5 screwdrivers, a plus 2.0 screwdriver, tweezers, a brush, a pry bar, an opening tool, and a suction cup. Everything you need is right here. We offer a 30-day free return and replacement policy. If you encounter any quality issues, our lifetime customer service is here to help you find the perfect solution and bring a smile back to your face. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for Joy-Con repair, making it perfect for beginners. The industrial-grade steel ensures durability, so you can tackle any repair with confidence. If you're looking for a complete, reliable solution with peace of mind, this is the one for you. What people say. The Triwing screwdriver is specifically designed for Nintendo Switch Joy-Con repairs. It fits the screws perfectly and allows for easy disassembly and reassembly of the Joy-Con controllers. The screwdriver is made of durable materials that feel sturdy in hand. It withstands repeated use without showing signs of wear or stripping the screws, which is essential for delicate electronic repairs. The Triwing tip fits perfectly into the screws of the Nintendo Switch, allowing you to quickly and easily remove them without any hassle. Number 4. Youletao Y Screwdriver for Nintendo Switch. Introducing the Youletao Y Screwdriver, designed for precision repairs. This tool is perfect for your Nintendo Switch and Joy-Con controllers. It's also great for Samsung Gear S3 Frontier repairs. This Y00 screwdriver is compatible with various devices. It's ideal for Nintendo Switch, Joy-Con controllers, and even the Samsung Gear S3 Frontier smartwatch. It handles Y00 screws with ease. Crafted from aviation aluminum alloy, this screwdriver offers durability and a comfortable grip. The anti-slip design ensures a secure hold while you work. The magnetic tip is a great feature. The magnetic tip makes handling tiny screws much easier. It's a convenient feature compared to non-magnetic screwdrivers. This makes the repair process much more efficient. The total length of the Samsung Gear S3 Frontier Y00 screwdriver is 120 mm, or 4.73 inches. This size is perfect for accessing those hard-to-reach screws. It's a must-have tool. What we like. The magnetic tip on this screwdriver makes handling tiny screws a breeze, saving you time and frustration. Crafted from aviation aluminum alloy, it offers a comfortable grip. If you're tired of losing screws and value precision, this tool is a must-have. What people say. The screwdriver fits perfectly and works great. It is the correct size for the Nintendo Switch screws. This is exactly what I needed to open my Nintendo Switch. Number 3. JOREST Switch Repair Kit. This is the JOREST Switch Repair Kit, a comprehensive set designed for your Nintendo Switch and other gaming consoles. It includes all the tools you need to perform repairs and maintenance. This kit makes it easy to keep your devices in top condition. The kit features a 6-piece screwdriver set, including Triwing and Phillips head screwdrivers. These are specifically designed for the screws found in your Switch, Switch Lite, and Joy-Con controllers. The set also includes other tools for opening up the devices. This kit isn't just for the Switch. It's also compatible with Wii, Wii U, GameCube, and other Nintendo consoles. Whether you're repairing a Switch or another device, this kit has you covered. The screwdrivers are made from high-quality S2 magnetic steel for durability and precision. The magnetic tips help to hold small screws, preventing them from getting lost. The quality materials ensure the tools will last. The screwdrivers feature a non-slip, rotatable handle for comfortable use. The handle's design allows for a firm grip and precise control. The top of the handle rotates, making screw removal easier. The kit includes a double-ended spudger, a triangle spudger, and tweezers. These tools are perfect for opening screens, back covers, and handling small parts. They are all stored in a packing bag for easy portability. What we like. This kit offers a variety of screwdriver types, making it versatile for different Nintendo devices. The magnetic S2 steel bits ensure durability and precision. If you have multiple consoles or devices to repair, this comprehensive set will be your best choice. What people say. Got the job done, reliable and strong. Exactly what I needed to open up my Switch controller. The screwdrivers worked great on my Wii remotes, took screws out from multiple remotes without any wear on the screwdriver or stripping of the screw heads. Nice magnetic tips, actually hold and pick up screws. Number 2. EMiEN 1.5mm Y00 Triwing Screwdriver for Nintendo Switch. This is a Y00 precision Triwing screwdriver, specifically designed for the Nintendo Switch Joy-Con controller screws. It's the perfect tool for your repair needs. The magnetic tip on this screwdriver makes it easy to absorb screws. You won't have to worry about losing those tiny screws during repairs. The anti-slip grip and labor-saving spinning cap make this screwdriver easy to grip and use. The bright red color makes it easy to find in your toolbox. Made of quality S2 steel and aviation aluminum alloy, this screwdriver is built to last. The gold-plated screw head ensures it's more precise and durable. EMiEN offers a free replacement service. This screwdriver is easy to carry and use, providing you with a reliable tool for your repairs. What we like. With its magnetic tip, this screwdriver makes it easy to handle small screws. The anti-slip grip and durable S2 steel construction ensure a comfortable and long-lasting experience. If you want a reliable and easy-to-use tool, it is a great choice. What people say. The magnetic feature was great. The screws didn't get lost. This works perfect with my Switch, sturdy as well. Bit fits snugly into 1.5mm Triwing screws. Number 1. EMiEN Nintendo Switch Screwdriver Kit. This screwdriver kit is designed for precision repair work. It is compatible with Nintendo Switch Joy-Con controllers, consoles, and more. This tool will help you with various repair tasks. The magnetic tip makes it easy to handle tiny screws. You won't have to worry about losing any small parts. This feature makes the repair process much more convenient. The anti-slip grip and spinning cap provide a comfortable and secure hold. The bright red color makes it easy to locate. This design enhances efficiency during use. Made from S2 steel and aviation aluminum alloy, this tool is built to last. The gold-plated screw head ensures high hardness and durability. It's a reliable choice for long-term use. EMiEN offers a free replacement service. It's easy to carry and use. You can rely on this product for your Nintendo Switch repair needs. What we like. This screwdriver kit includes both Phillips and Triwing options, offering versatility for various repairs. The magnetic tip and durable S2 steel construction ensure a reliable and long-lasting experience. If you need a versatile tool for multiple Nintendo repairs, it is a great choice. What people say. My teen son was able to fix his Switch controller drift issues using these. Worked wonderfully. Good quality tools and perfect for Switch repairs. These are pretty good. I was able to take apart my Switch Joy-Cons and tablet and replace the shell case. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.